So after 3 straight days of rain here in Arizona, decided to go chase some waterfalls today. We're gonna do Massacre grounds. This is with the Hike AZ Facebook group. There's about 4 of us going, but obviously we're not the only people with this idea today. A whole bunch of people just showed up. Okay, so we're off. It's a little muddy. This is Roxy.
Yeah, actually 2 years ago I headed west and went
Some clouds over there by 4 Peaks. We'll be staring into a blinding sunlight as we walk towards Massacre grounds. It's okay, you can be in my video, Dawn. It's a group video. But beautiful, beautiful scenery out here at Massacre grounds again. That's 4 Peaks over there. This is a good sign that the waterfall is going to be flowing pretty good. Water in the creek. Which, by the way, we have to cross. I think I can handle it though. This hike is really green in some spots. I don't know if you can see this with the glare of the sun, but it's like we're walking through a river valley right here. Okay, so most of this hike is a gradual climb. We get 1,000-foot vertical the whole way, but this is not a gradual climb. This is camelback-ish right here. Doesn't go on for very long, but it's pretty steep right here. Wow, it is flowing good through here. Holy crap. This is usually dry. Okay, so made it to the top. Not the falls, that's the falls over there. We'll get there in a second. Just looking out over Praying Hands. That's Praying Hands right in front of me. As you can see, there's a few people on top today.
like a boot in the dryer.
Yes, it's like those balls I put in the
That thing sticking up over there is a Weaver's Needle. See the cliff we're on. Here we are again looking out at 4 Peaks. That's four Peaks right there. There's Weaver's Needle sticking out.
That's what I was just telling Cindy when I was here in July and I drove out Apache Trail.
Just on the other side of those guys is the cliff, and I'll show you that in a second. There's the fall.
You can see it one right here. Monsoons followed, and now this rain.
You know where we were, you could see that red.
That's a long ways down. There's a few spots where water comes off the cliff, but that's obviously the best one right there. I'll probably fall while videotaping this. Yeah, it's a little wet through here. Water dripping off the ceiling here. I think I got a hat on. Wow. I think we're getting wet. A bit of a crowd here. Look at all people. Look at the massive humanity around here. I'm on my way back down now, so I'll stop the videotape because it's an out and back hike, but there is the cliff that we were on top of, and you can't even, from where I'm standing at least, get a sense of how far down it actually goes because I'm not on the edge here. So let me turn this around. There's Matt and Roxy and Dawn. There's the waterfall up there. And I'll end my videotaping here. Great hike to Massacre grounds today.